Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to use Alt plus Enter to add new lines in Excel like this one. You can see that I have three products, small, large, medium in one cell and the quantity is also in one cell. So how you can do that? First you need to mention the size, for example small, and what you have to do is you need to press Alt and hit the enter to add another line in the same cells and put the size, and then again press the Alt plus enter to add another line and mention the size, and again press Alt plus enter to mention the another size. So now you can see that all four sizes are in the same cells. Now how you can put the quantity in the another cell? Press F2 and first you need to enter the quantity, for example 10, and then press Alt plus enter to make another line, mention the quantity, another Alt plus enter and put the quantity, and Alt plus enter to put the quantity of Excel size and hit enter, and now you can see that the all four sizes are in the same cell along with the quantity. This Excel tip works in Excel 2010, 2013, 16, 19 and Microsoft 365, and it is perfect for beginners and professionals who want to make their spreadsheets look neat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.